So I had a question come to me the other day, and I figured I'd go ahead and drop this on y'all while I was out and about. So the question was, what is the difference between a bench trial and a jury trial? And there is a significant difference, and I'm going to tell you why. And so this particularly applies to anyone who may have a criminal history, a prior criminal history. You should never, ever, in my experience, have a bench trial. And let me tell you why. Because if you have a bench trial, that same judge that is going to be the gatekeeper of the evidence and the ultimate finder of fact and conclusion of law has access to your criminal history prior to you ever coming to trial. So he or she is necessarily going to be biased, even though they'll tell you, oh no, I can rule without bias and I'm going to follow the law. And any attorney who talks their client into a bench trial, knowing they have a criminal history, should be disbarred, in my opinion. Now, with the jury, you have a panel, and there are significant rules that apply. The racial makeup of the jury, the economic makeup of the jury, all of these factors have to be taken into place during jury selection. Again, this falls on your counsel because your counsel has to make sure that there's no preemptory strikes by the prosecution based on religion, based on race, culture, or otherwise. However, never allow for a loved one, significant other, or otherwise, if they are in trouble and have shoddy representation, to be tricked into a bench trial. You are 99.9% of the time going to be convicted. Something for you to think about. When everything seems bleak and all else fails, we're here to assist. Contact us today so we can find out what can be done for your loved one.